How to make money by website flipping. The act of purchasing, enhancing, and then reselling websites for a profit is known as website flipping. Making money online can be rewarding, but it takes a combination of abilities, information, and expertise. If you wish to earn money by flipping websites, you should take the following actions. Do some market research. It's crucial to do market research and find high-demand areas before you start flipping websites. Look for websites that could use some upgrading and have room for expansion. Acquire a website. You must purchase the website once you've decided on one that you want to flip. Look for websites with unrealized potential or those that are undervalued. On online markets like Flippa, Empire Flippers, and Website Broker, you can find websites that are for sale. Enhance the website. After purchasing the website, you should begin to make adjustments. This could entail redesigning the website, making content improvements, SEO optimizing it, and adding new features. The objective is to increase the website's appeal to potential customers. Building traffic and revenue should be your first concern while you make website upgrades. This will increase the website's worth and appeal to potential customers. To increase website traffic, think about utilizing paid advertising, social media marketing, and other strategies. Sell the website. After it has grown and is bringing in money, it is time to sell the website. Include a for sale listing for the website on auction sites like Flippa, Empire Flippers, and Website Broker. Make sure to draw attention to the upgrades you've made and the income the website is producing. In general, website flipping can be a lucrative online income stream, but it takes a lot of time, work, and expertise. You can create a prosperous website flipping business by sticking to these guidelines and exercising patience. Can you suggest any books or websites where I can learn more about website flipping? There are numerous internet sites that can assist you in learning more about website flipping. Here are some examples you might find useful. Website flipping for profit. Udemy is providing a thorough course that teaches you everything you need to know about website flipping. Finding profitable website niches, purchasing and selling websites, and optimizing websites for optimal profitability are all covered in the course. One of the biggest platforms for buying and selling websites, Flippa, offers a course called Website Flipping Mastery. The course includes lessons on due diligence, website value, and contract negotiations. Case studies and actual instances are also included. The Empire Flippers podcast is a podcast on website flipping that covers a wide range of subjects. Along with advice on how to buy and sell websites, it includes interviews with successful website flippers. Another well-known website marketplace that provides a wealth of tools for website flippers is websitebroker.com. Blog posts on the website cover subjects including website valuation, due diligence, and buying and selling websites. The Facebook group for website flipping. This is a group of website flippers that interact and exchange ideas, tricks, and suggestions. It's a terrific area to network with other like-minded business owners and to ask questions and get comments on your website flipping ideas. There are a ton of books, websites, and other materials you may use to learn more about website flipping. You may create a prosperous website flipping business by utilizing these resources, working hard, and investing the necessary time and resources. Which one of these tools do you think novices will find most useful? Popular learning tools for beginning programmers include Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, and SoloLearn. These websites allow beginners to study at their own pace and provide interactive coding tutorials for free or at a moderate fee. Resources like Duolingo, Rosetta Stone, and Babbel are frequently suggested for language beginners. For language learners of all levels, these websites and applications include interactive lectures, exercises, and games. Tools like Grammarly, Hemingway, and Pro Writing Aid can be beneficial for beginning writers. To help writers become more proficient, these tools offer advice on grammar and style, assist with sentence structure, and provide other writing tips and tools. The best resource for beginners will ultimately depend on their own learning preferences and the topic matter they are most interested in. A few different resources should be tried out to determine which one works best for you. Do you have any suggestions for locating lucrative web niches? Here are some pointers for identifying lucrative web niches. Determine your interests and passions. Start by compiling a list of subjects that you are enthusiastic or interested in. This will assist you in selecting a specialization that you will enjoy working in and that will sustain your motivation over time. Find out what people are searching for and what themes are popular by using keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush. This might assist you in locating markets with high demand and little rivalry. Consider your rivals. Look at blogs and websites in your preferred niche to see how they are generating revenue from their material. Examine their traffic sources, followers on social media, and engagement levels. You will gain a better understanding of your niche's potential profitability as a result. Look into affiliate programs. Find out if the affiliate programs in your niche give big commissions and solid conversion rates by doing some research on them. This may be a reliable sign of how lucrative your niche is. Check ad networks. See if ad networks with large payments for ads in your niche, such as Google AdSense or Media.net, are available. This might assist you in calculating the possible earnings from website advertising. Concentrate on a particular audience. Narrow down your niche to focus on a particular group of people. This can help you establish yourself as an expert in your field and bring more relevant visitors to your website, which can increase conversion rates and profitability. Remember, finding a profitable website niche takes time and effort. It's important to do thorough research and choose a niche that you're passionate about and has potential for profitability. How can I estimate a website's worth before making a purchase? When establishing the worth of a website before purchasing it, there are a number of things to take into account. You can follow the instructions listed below. Analyze the traffic to the website. Utilize applications like Google Analytics or SimilarWeb to examine the website's traffic statistics. Check the engagement rates, the source of the traffic, and the monthly traffic. The website is more likely to be valuable the more traffic and engagement it receives. Investigate the website's revenue sources, such as advertising, affiliate marketing, or product sales. Verify the conversion rates, the source of the revenue, and the monthly revenue. The likelihood of a website being more valuable increases with the number of revenue streams it has and the level of revenue. Check the backlinks to the website. Utilize programs like Ahrefs or Moz to examine the backlink profile of the website. Verify the quantity of backlinks, the backlink status, and the anchor text being used. A website is more likely to be valuable the more high-quality backlinks it has. Check the domain authority of the website. Use Moz or Ahrefs to check the domain authority of the website. The value of a website is expected to increase with its domain authority. Review the information on the website. Look at the website's content to see how well written and relevant it is. Verify the uniqueness, quality, and informational of the content. The website is likely to be more valued the more valuable and relevant the material is. Examine the website's social media presence, taking note of the quantity and caliber of the information posted as well as the rates of participation. The website is likely to be more useful the more active and involved the social media presence is. Before purchasing a website, you can determine its worth by weighing these elements. Make sure you are obtaining a fair price for the website by carrying out your due research. What frequent blunders should you steer clear of while flipping websites? These typical errors should be avoided when flipping websites. Absence of diligence. One of the biggest errors website flippers make is not conducting adequate research prior to purchasing a website. Before making an offer, make sure you investigate the website's traffic, earnings, backlinks, and content quality. Overpaying for a website is another error that is frequently made. Avoid bidding wars and emotional buying by making sure you pay a fair price based on the value of the website. Not optimizing the website. After purchasing a website, it is crucial to improve its content, search engine optimization, and other aspects to raise its worth. Instead of simply selling the website as is, spend some time making improvements. Disregarding legal matters, ensure that you have all the required contracts in place, including a sales agreement and a non-disclosure agreement. Additionally, check sure you are not violating any trademarks or copyrights. Lack of a well-defined exit strategy before purchasing a website. It's crucial to have a clear exit strategy. Have a strategy in place for when you're ready to sell the website. Know how you intend to monetize it, and decide if you want to keep onto it or sell it soon. Forgetting to give adequate customer support. If the website you're flipping has customers, make sure you do so. Negative customer reviews and a drop in value might result from disregarding customer assistance. When flipping websites, you can improve your chances of success by staying away from these frequent blunders. Always keep in mind that flipping websites requires time and work, therefore it's crucial to conduct thorough research and choose wisely.